awa nigera chikubwatana na kwanekia buna amangana ya internetin kube kwale ase chinsemo ao anmono ase binyoroime naya niganyara kabaga okwanwa amo no mulikyo botamba ase wisara yobererani omoske Steven Saboke chinga kyanyara kaba gagotalira chinsemo ao ime ye bunge ya babase buna gutumenya mulikito Gilbert Kope.
Serikali ya Kenya kwanza gwetera ase wizara ya mangana y'obwererania na okonyora wekerero yani ICT and digital economy nigo yaereire omurubiri oye bwo gucha kubwaterana kwagacha digital hubs ase chinsemo chinyinge cha Kenya. Steven Saboke no muriki obotambe ase wizara iyo.
The data plan talks about 1,450 digital hubs in the country. They call it Getembe hubs. Specifically for Kisii, there is a digital hub coming up somewhere near Ogembo Market. It's actually in progress. There's a digital hub already somewhere Kisii Polytechnic for Nyeriba Richache. For Bobasi, because it took a while, we are in Bobasi area. I actually spoke to the local member of parliament. He wasn't able to make it, but we have actually notified him that our people are doing the survey and everything working. That digital hub may as well be positioned in this same place.
Okwana stensemo ya bugisaka bobasi omuriki oyo botambe nigo aenekeiria abasaibu na serikali nebwato omurubyo bogokonya abasaya asoko chikubatumeka kwekerania egange ye serikali.
A digital hub encompasses sort of civil works. You must build a building, then cable it obviously with the digital cable, internet, make internet live, and then of course laptops. So it's a whole process. So there are all different stages of implementation. And actually, just to say, it's one of the projects that the president normally calls us to actually get an update.
Kolengana Isaboke chinsemo chibunge chonsi chia Kenya gwetera asaba bunge babo bachakirie obwagachi bwa digital hubs eriogo ikerania obumanyi bwekerero musingi kore gutumeka abasaya asigo ikerania gokinia gwakonyora gwense.
Across the country, where in fact the national government has funded about 100 of those digital hubs. With about 47 of them being centers of excellence in each county. So each county has got a big center, digital hub. And then His Excellency the President was magnanimous, had another 53 standard hubs across the country. And then in addition to those, there is almost another sort of 1,350, which the MPs, members of parliament, are actually funding through the CDF fund.
Nigo Isaboke ikerana ase omoyega bwo kwabekera chigutwa abarokigwa emyeye mune 20 abo barenge bosomigwa ase chi computer sense yo bakubwaterana ne kampuni ya Huawei.
These youth have joined among the 6,000 other kids or youth in the country who the digital track has actually trained. And as you probably realize, we had to come today because the track is actually in demand. The track is actually going to Tharaka Nithi, the deputy president's sort of hometown, to actually also educate Tharaka Nithi children there. So you can see it's a countrywide effort.
Omurobiryo bwogokinia obumanyi bwekerero na okonyora gwe serikali inse yo musingi bwa basaye nero eganga yaberege kurandigwa kigima ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza. Nguriboteria Getembe kurwa sensemo ya bugisaka bobasi constituency county ya Kisii amalietane nje Gilbert Kobe.